Vacations are about to end, and you are searching for ideas how to decorate your school in order to welcome back your students. In this video, you will get a lot of ideas regarding this topic. You will get welcome back board ideas, hallway decoration ideas, some badges that you can give to your students when they are back to school. Hope these ideas will be helpful for you. Must share your reviews in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.